Hey guys, what's going on? It's Andrew Crosley here. Welcome to the video. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you guys are doing great. So today, this video is based on creating YouTube thumbnails. So I'm going to show you the process of what I go through to make sure that thumbnail is suitable for the video. So we're going to start off with the base first of all, which is going to be the matte black base as always. Let's get that. Whoa, okay. So matte black base is down. So now what we're going to do is start with items that are going to be included in the video. So what I mean by this is last week I recorded how to do cinematic Instagram stories. So in that I had my mobile phone on there, which was representing the Instagram story, and coffee beans and a coffee book on the side because it was about coffee b-roll. So today's video is a bit more random, so I'm going to choose 3 items. So first of all, I'm going to start with this beer opener, which is from Germany. One of my friends brought me this back from his little holiday while I was out with his uncle and auntie, so appreciate that, brother, thank you very much. And then next I'm going to start with this awesome plant, which as most people will know is always in my videos and pictures. So I'm just going to pop that at the side there. And then next I'm going to put my phone in there. Again, represent Instagram, so where is it? There it is. Okay, so pop that on the side, go into my profile, put it probably about there. Oop. There we go. So beer opener, plant, and Instagram profile loaded up. So all of that's in frame. So that's it guys for the tutorial. So I've got everything in frame that's related to that video. So like I said, last week was about a cinematic b-roll for Instagram stories, and it was more around coffee based b-roll. So we've done the template, we've done the items that are relevant to that. So I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for tuning in guys, and I'll see you next week.